Slim Thugger. Drink by the pint, drove by the pine. Headed to the club in the box top down. Slim Thug about to climb, represent H-time. If you love me, you gon' smile. If you hate me, you gon' grind.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna finish up the rear suspension. I kind of got a little bit ahead and mounted up the new struts with the lowering springs I have. I'll go into detail with the lowering springs when I'm working on the front suspension. But for now, I'll catch you guys up on what I did between both parts, the first part, and this is gonna be the second part of the rear suspension rebuilt. And yeah, let's get to the video, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? Right now I'm gonna clean these up real quick and clean this little piston part right here, or whatever this is called. We're gonna clean it and then we're gonna grease it up. Yeah, we'll time lapse the rest. Okay, now we got everything lubed up. Also got some new brake pads. They're pretty tiny. And then with all the hardware that's needed, yeah, we're gonna get this stuff on once the brake calipers are mounted up to the car. Actually, it's easier if you assemble the brake caliper with the brake pads before you install it into the car. If not, the e-brake components will get in the way. Sorry guys, I couldn't get any footage of me installing the rear brakes here. I did have a time lapse, but for some reason it didn't save. But I'm pretty sure you guys know how to install some brakes, so it's not that bad. Alright, what's up, guys? We got the brakes on. Everything's bolted up. We got the braids bled. I'm just gonna adjust the lowering springs and then get the wheels back on and torque down the control arms, and then we're gonna go for a quick test run. And yeah, right here on the lowering springs, I'm gonna drop them down to maybe the 25, just so it's not too low, and if it's too high then I'll probably drop it down to 30. But yeah, we'll see. Okay guys, we got the whole car on the wheels now, and sitting down, we're going to torque down these bolts real quick, and then we'll take it for a quick spin, and then we'll start working with the front suspension. This is how the wheels look. I am going to have to get new rotors pretty soon, but for now these will do. And look how these new shocks are pretty good, or struts, they're pretty good. Alright guys, that's it for today. I got the rear suspension rebuilt. All it needs is an alignment, but I'll get that done once I get the front suspension rebuilt. Then we're going to take it to the alignment shop and get that done. Tomorrow I'll have the video up for the front suspension. We're going to probably work on just the rack and pinion and a few other things. And there'll probably be about 2 to 3 parts for the front suspension, just because there's a bit more components. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.